it's me, Allegra. Today I thought it would be really fun to share a hair extensions clip-in tutorial and show my actual real hair for the first time. I'm going to show my real hair without clip-ins. Dolls, I have been using Mhot clip-in hair extensions for the longest time, and that's how I actually get this full voluminous hair. This is all clip-ins pretty much. Well, you're going to see it's pretty much all clip-ins, let's be honest. You're going to see with your own eyes today. My real hair is, it is what it is. But the good news is I have been using these clip-in extensions. They are amazing. I love them. They have me feeling so good about myself. And so I thought it'd be really fun to do a tutorial and show how I do get this look. So I'm going to also show how I curl my hair and I achieve this look, which I do get a lot of questions about. So today I'm going to show you how I style my hair and also how I apply the clip-in extensions for a more full voluminous look. And I'm super excited because I am partnering with Mhot on today's video, and I could not be more happy because I have been using their clip-ins for the longest time and I absolutely love them. So I was super excited to partner with them and collab on today's video. What I really love the most about my Mhot hair extensions compared to other clip-in extensions that I've used in the past is that these have a seamless weft, and so they are totally undetectable, so no one is going to see them underneath your real hair. And especially if you're like me, my own hair is very thin, and so when I would use different hair clip-in extensions in the past, you would see the clip through my hair. And a lot of times my husband would tell me, he would be so embarrassed. He's like, I can see your clip-in. And he was like, please hide it, like if we're out in public. So that's why I was so excited when I discovered Mhot, because the weft is totally seamless, so you cannot see it through your hair. They're weightless. They have a light, soft silicone weft compared to other clip-ins that I've tried, which have a metal clip and they are much heavier. This is so seamless, so light, so it's light as air. You don't even feel like you have anything on your head. And some of the other clip-ins that I've used in the past, they would kind of even wind up hurting your scalp, and these do not hurt because they're so lightweight and they're so soft. They're strong, but they're pliable and there's no shedding. A lot of other extensions will wind up shedding and they just don't hold up over time. And over time for a lot of extensions could be just a few weeks. These from Mhot have lasted me so long. They stay so silky, and another thing I really love about them is that they're super easy to style, because a lot of other extensions that I've tried won't hold a curl. But as you're going to see in my little tutorial today, these hold the curl one time you are curled. I don't even need to use a lot of styling products. I actually, for this look today, didn't use any styling products. I didn't need to use hairsprays or styling gels or anything. These extensions just hold the style so well. I'm not sure why that is, but they just do. They curl beautifully, easily and effortlessly. They feel absolutely amazing. They're so silky and they just feel incredible. So I just love how they're super flat. They lay super flat against your head, so they are invisible. So there's no bulkiness, there's no bumps, there's no embarrassment. It's phenomenal. It's just so amazing compared to what I have been through in the past. I've been on cloud 9 since I discovered these from Mhot. They have also been featured in Elle and Allure, so it's not just me that just loves them so much. They've been in business for 17 years and they do ethically source all of their hair. So let me go ahead and show you now how I style my hair, how I apply the clip-ins, how easy and effortless they are to put them on. It just takes seconds. They stay all day. They won't fall out on you, so you don't have to be insecure and think maybe they're gonna fall out. They do stay in place, so there's nothing to worry about. Especially, like you're gonna see, I have very little hair and they do hold on to what I have, stay in place, and they don't come out. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how I clip them in and also how I achieve this voluminous hair look. So beauties, this is actually my hair before I use my clip-ins. As you can see, the bottoms are pretty thin and frazzled and frayed. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Mhot clip-in hair extensions, and you're going to see how much volume, how glam and gorgeous my hair is going to look after I apply them. So it's super easy. What I do is I just section off a piece of my hair, but to be honest, a lot of times I don't even section it off like this. You could just take your hand and just kind of, do it very haphazardly. You don't have to be so precise, and they'll go in just perfect. But I just take a section of my hair, put it onto the top of my head, and as you can see, my hair is pretty thin and sparse back there. but I'm just going to go ahead and apply the clip-in, and it's going to be so much thicker, so much fuller. Sometimes if you want, you can tease the piece of hair that you're going to apply the clip-in to. Some people do that. I normally don't do it, but I just did it for today's video, but I normally don't even do that. I don't feel like I need to do that. But then you just go ahead and clip the clip-in into your hair, into your own hair, and they go on in seconds. They clip in easily and effortlessly. They are totally invisible and seamless, and you cannot see them through your own hair, so it's pretty amazing. They feel so thick, so soft and silky, and they just blend right into your own hair. So you just have the appearance of so much thicker, so much fuller hair. So normally what I personally like to do is I really only wear one clip-in. I really only feel like I need to wear one. But if you want to go super glam, if you want a really thick and voluminous look, you can go ahead and apply more clip-ins. The clip-in kit does arrive to you with 8 pieces. So you can use all 8 pieces and get a really, really thick, voluminous look. But for me, 1 or 2 clip-ins is more than enough. 1 is great. 2 is very voluminous for me. So I just went ahead here and applied another one, the same as we just did previously. You just clip them onto your hair. It's so easy and just takes seconds. And then there you go. My hair is so much thicker, so much fuller looking. It feels incredible. It does not hurt whatsoever. It's totally seamless, totally invisible. Feels amazing. And this is it before I style it. So this is how they look if you leave them straight. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how I style them when I want a more glam, some curls look. I'll take my curling wand and I just wrap sections around the curling wand, and I hold it for about 12 seconds. And with the Mhot clip-in hair extensions, you don't even need to use any products. Personally, I don't need to use any gels, and they curl like a dream. So as you can see there, it just curled it perfectly. It just makes perfect waves, perfect curls. And so I'm just going to go ahead and go all over my head and do the same thing over each piece of my hair. You can change the direction of your wand, of your curling wand, and this will kind of change the shape of the curl. So right now I'm holding it horizontally, but later on I'll hold it vertically, and it makes just a different shaped curl. And I like to change up the shape of the curl just to give a more effortless kind of look. You can comb through each piece of your clip-in before you curl it, and that just helps it to curl that much better. But again, I'm just going to go all throughout my hair and curl sections about 1 inch in width and hold it for about 12 seconds. And I'm just going to go and repeat that all over my head. You can also spray each piece with hairspray. For my look, I really didn't feel like I needed to do that, but I know a lot of people will spray their hair at this point in time after they curl it, but I really don't do that. And then they stay perfectly for me. So here you can see I'm holding the wand vertically now, and like I said, it's just going to make a different shaped curl. Even the direction of the wand, personally, I notice a huge difference. So I'm holding the wand facing downwards, and again, it will just make a different type of shape. You can curl the curls towards your face or away from your face, and again, it will just make different wave patterns. And then I like to comb through the curls with a wide tooth comb, and this is the finished look. So that's pretty much it, beauties. They are super easy to use. I also love how Mhot does have 60-day returns, free and easy. So if you have any issues, you can always return them. Everybody is super nice at Mhot, so you can definitely go ahead and return them. I do love how they also have different colors of hair. They have ombre clip-in hair that you can clip into your hair and get that ombre hair look for less, and also with less damage to your hair. So it would be so much more cost effective to just purchase the clip-ins with the ombre if you want that that ombre look, you can just go ahead and clip in those ombre clip-in hair extensions and you'll get that gorgeous look. And best of all, it is not going to be damaging your hair when you use the clip-in extensions. But personally, I love my hair just the way it is. I love this jet black look, so you know, I stick with the jet black color, but in the future I would love to experiment with the ombre ones and the highlighted ones. The shipping is also super fast, so I love that as well. You get them really, really quickly, so you don't have to wait that long. If you have a special event or something to go to, a birthday, holiday event, you can definitely have your clip-ins really fast. So that's pretty much it, dolls. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me and checking out my clip-in hair tutorial and also my glam hair tutorial, how I get these kind of voluminous glam hair waves. So let me know if you beauties have any questions down below. Let me know any other hair tutorials that you might like to see. I love to do half up, half down as well with these clip-in extensions, so let me know if that's something that you'd like to see, and I would love to do that video as well. So anyway, beauties, thank you again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I hope you dolls are all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye!